Hey traders, welcome to the cryptocurrency performance recap on the Binance exchange. This is the YouTube channel that teaches you exactly how to trade the most volatile cryptocurrency markets with confidence. And next up, the first cryptocurrency pair on the list of the biggest percent gainers of today, it's the MTL USDT cryptocurrency pair. With that, let's jump right into how to trade the MTL USDT cryptocurrency pair with the trend scraper technique. Keep watching. The fourth step of the trend scraper technique is to identify the most current bullish trend section of the MTL USDT cryptocurrency pair on a candlestick price chart. And here's how to get it right from the start. First, you have to trace the movement of the price action from the highest price of the bullish trend to the lowest price of the green candlestick bullish trend starter with the price range tool. Now, place the price range tool on the highest price of the bullish trend, which is $3.1778, and drag it down to the lowest price of the green candlestick bullish trend starter. So, in total, you can see the most current bullish trend section of the MTL USDT cryptocurrency pair is approximately 64%, which is a little well over the standard target of a 60% bullish trend section. Alright, let's take a quick look at the performance of price action on the previous bullish trend section of the MTL USDT cryptocurrency pair. For example, this bullish trend section, it's approximately 82%, and this bullish trend section, it's approximately 96%. Okay, now that we've identified the most current bullish trend section of the MTL USDT cryptocurrency pair on a candlestick price chart, it's time for step number 2, which is to plan out your trade entry, stop loss, and take profit prices on a candlestick price chart data of the MTL USDT cryptocurrency pair. Your next step is to plan out your trade entry, stop loss, and take profit prices on a candlestick price chart data of the MTL USDT cryptocurrency pair before you even take the trade. For example, let's mark out your trade entry, stop loss, and take profit prices on a 4-hour candlestick price chart data of the MTL USDT cryptocurrency pair step by step. So, step 1. For you to get your entry price, you have to use the price range to measure 15% starting from the lowest price of the green candlestick bullish trend starter, and then use the blue horizontal line tool to indicate your entry price, which is $2.2283. Step 2. For you to get your stop loss price, you have to measure 9% and then use the red horizontal line to indicate your stop loss price, which is $2.1120. Step 3. For you to get your take profit price at a 2-to-1 profit loss ratio, you have to measure 30% and then use the white horizontal line to indicate your take profit price, which is $2.5186. Step 4. For you to get your safety price, you have to measure 22% and then use the purple horizontal line to indicate your safety price, which is $2.3633. Finally, it's time to monitor the volatility of price action on the most current bullish trend section of the MTL USDT cryptocurrency pair before you click that buy button. Remember to be very selective before clicking that buy button, because most cryptocurrency price action can be very volatile and manipulative when they approach the 15% entry price. And once you are comfortable with the volatility of the price action of the MTL USDT cryptocurrency pair, you can just place your buy order on the order book and get ready to sell a portion of your portfolio at the 22% safety price and the 30% take profit price levels. So let's say you enter the trade with $1,000 worth of trading capital and patiently waited to sell the MTL USDT cryptocurrency pair at the highest price of the bullish trend, which is $3.1778. Okay, let's check out how much money you can potentially make as profit from this particular trade. Now, place the price range to on your entry price, which is $2.2283, and drag it up to the highest price of the bullish trend, which is $3.1778. And that's exactly a 42% profit. So as you can see on the candlestick price chart, your profit is approximately 42% of your trading capital. That means 42% of $1,000 will be approximately $420 worth of absolute profit. But on the other hand, what if the price action only touched your entry price before it decided to dump back down to the stop loss price? That means you will lose exactly 5.5% of your trading capital, which is approximately $55. So as you can see, your profit will be approximately 7 times your expected loss. And that's exactly how to trade the MTL USDT cryptocurrency pair with the trend scraper technique. Now you can see that with the trend scraper techniques, NFTs and cryptocurrency trading becomes very easy to implement, and you can already know ahead of time that your hard work is gonna pay off in no time. Leave a comment below if you found value from watching this video. Also, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video right now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.